Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC, and we're at the GTC conference in San Jose, NVIDIA's conference. I'm right now with Pat Moakley. He is Director of Marketing for HPC and AI at Lenovo. And Lenovo, of course, is a long-time partner with NVIDIA. And Pat, tell us a little bit about give us an overview of what you all will be talking about this week at the conference.
We have a tremendous number of announcements today in conjunction with NVIDIA. Things that range from workstations to servers to systems that are designed for cloud service providers, as well as services to wrap around the hardware to help customers to get AI platforms launched and AI applications implemented faster. And then we're also going to be on stage talking about some super secret stuff that only Jensen knows about. So we are really keyed up for GTC this year.
Okay, great. Let's take a look at some of the things you'll be talking about.
All right.
So we're with Mike Leach. He is Lenovo's Senior Manager of the Workstation Solutions Group. And Mike, what are you going to be showing folks at GTC this week?
Well, we're announcing 3 workstation solutions purely for the AI and data science workflow. So we're highlighting the power and performance of our ThinkStation and ThinkPad P series and how these can radically enhance the efficiency and performance of a traditional AI workflow. So working with NVIDIA, we're bringing in more qualifications and more certifications across our workstation portfolio, delivering 10, 100, and 150x performance enhancements across the workflow using NVIDIA's new Rapids QDF libraries, as well as their AI Workbench and AI Enterprise portfolio as associated with workstations.
And Mike, tell us what's special about the ThinkStation portfolio.
Well, ThinkStations for Lenovo are our professional desktop workstations. Our new P series of advanced desktop workstations have been co-designed with Aston Martin, and we're proud to have the industry's most powerful, most scalable, the world's fastest workstations available for AI and data science workflows, capable of supporting up to 4 of NVIDIA's highest-end GPUs, supporting the A800 and 6000 Ada generation, as well as their ConnectX 6 dual-port 25 gig Ethernet adapters.
So Pat, tell us about these 2 pieces of hardware that you'll be showing this week at the conference.
Doug, these are going to be our 2 flagship systems for AI model development, the ThinkSystem SR680A and the ThinkSystem SR780A. The 680A is an 8U air-cooled system featuring 8 H200 HGX GPUs interconnected with 900 gigabyte per second NVLink GPU fabric, Intel's latest generation Xeon CPUs. The SR680A is designed to deliver maximum acceleration for complex workloads around generative AI, like model development and machine learning. It's designed to fit in an industry-standard 19-inch rack, and with Lenovo xClarity Systems Management, the 680A can integrate quickly and easily into existing data center infrastructure. This is the ThinkSystem SR780A. It's the latest system in our Neptune family of liquid-cooled technologies. It has the exact same CPU, GPU configuration as the SR680A, but it uses Lenovo's Neptune liquid cooling to cool both the CPUs and the GPUs. By using Neptune liquid cooling, we don't have to give up real estate for the heat sinks. So as you can see, it's in a tight, dense 5U packaging compared to the 8U air-cooled system. Compared to air cooling, liquid cooling is much more efficient, so the ThinkSystem SR780A will run at peak performance for a sustained period of times without hitting thermal limits, and it will also save you money on energy. After GTC, keep watch on this space because we'll have more announcements in the first half of this year that will give Lenovo customers the broadest choice of accelerated systems in the industry.
Okay, Pat, and tell us about this item.
So this whole rest of the aisle is all systems that are dedicated to cloud service providers, or CSPs. Lenovo's had a growing customer base of CSPs in the last several years, and we've developed systems in conjunction with NVIDIA based upon their latest technologies and their next generation technologies to make sure that CSP customers are going to be secure in their Lenovo investments for the future. This is the new Lenovo HG660X V3. It's an MGX box for you. We are actually NVIDIA's design partner for the MGX for you. This has 2 Intel Xeon CPUs, and it also supports up to 8 double-wide, full-length, full-high PCI GPUs from NVIDIA like the GH200. This is the new Lenovo HG630N. It's a 1U MGX reference architecture, open standard server with Lenovo Neptune liquid cooling technology, which reduces the power consumption while supporting the new GH200 from NVIDIA. This is the new HG650N. It's an MGX2U. It's a highly modular GPU optimized system that's air-cooled, fits in industry standard racks, and enables twice the density of NVIDIA GH200s when those ship later on this year. And these are two 2U systems that are brand new to the lineup. So new I didn't even know about them until I landed. These are the HG350N and the HR650N. And these are systems that are built on the Grace superchip that's coming out later this year from NVIDIA. And you can see they support either front I/O on the HR650N or rear I/O on the HG350N.
So Pat, we've been talking a lot about hardware, Lenovo hardware. What else, though, will you be talking about this week at the conference?
So we're also announcing an entire suite of services for AI for customers that's centered around helping customers to get from idea to implementation faster with Lenovo services. So those include Discover AI, which is a way for customers to come in and do a proof of concept on Lenovo gear, test out different configurations, test out different data types and things like that to make sure that they're understanding what it takes to implement their vision before they start to implement. We're also announcing generative AI services with NVIDIA, which leverages powerful data insights and achieves competitive advantage for generative AI with NVIDIA. And Lenovo offers full stack solutions to support the complete product lifecycle, plus services to implement, adopt, and scale generative AI solutions. We're also announcing Lenovo Enhanced Professional Services for AI, which helps customers to accelerate their transformation by providing business advisors, data scientists, and AI-optimized infrastructure as a service, ensuring seamless utilization of sustainable AI. And then lastly, we're here demonstrating solutions that we've built on AI. So you can see the racetrack behind you, which we built with Formula One, which allows people to monitor in real time where their drivers are on the track, information coming up real time like on speed, fuel consumption, wind drag, all that comes up based on what we built for Formula One. Obviously not a Formula One racetrack here in our booth, but it's something to check out. And we have multiple breakout sessions that we're conducting, including one that it's kind of close to me because I helped to set it up. But it is using artificial intelligence to help solve humanity's greatest challenges. And in this case, we partnered with two of our partners, the Scott Morgan Foundation and DeepBrain. And what we've done is we're helping those with communicative disabilities to be able to speak by using an avatar after they've lost the ability to speak. So it's a really cool breakout. It shows a young lady who is suffering from ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, and how we are using this avatar in her own voice and her own image to speak to the outside world. So it's one of those that makes you feel really good to come to work in the morning.
Okay, well, that's fantastic. So we've been with Pat Moakley of Lenovo, and Pat, thanks so much for your time.
Thanks, Doug. Appreciate yours.